Meta is seeking VR domination with their brand new Quest 3, boasting upgrades like mixed reality capabilities and enhanced visuals. But can this flashy newcomer dethrone Valve's Index as the enthusiast's choice headset? The Index boasts silky 144Hz visuals and clever finger tracking knuckles, while the Quest 3 packs upgrades like mixed reality and enhanced displays. In this video, we present the ultimate VR headset showdown, Meta Quest 2 versus Valve Index, and more. We will explore the features, capabilities, and experiences offered by these two giants in the VR industry, along with other noteworthy contenders. So let's dive into the video and subscribe to the channel. Visuals and display. One area Meta focused heavily on improving with the Quest 3 is visual fidelity. The new Infinite Office displays are capable of 2064 multiply 2064 pixels per eye, representing a 50% increase over the Quest 2's resolution. This works out to around 1100 ppi, which produces crisp and detailed visuals while also reducing the screen door effect seen in prior headsets. The Valve Index, by comparison, relies on dual 1440x1600 LCDs combining for a total resolution of 2880x1600. Although this is a higher total resolution versus the Quest 3, it is spread out over the Index's larger field of view. Specifically, the Index has a field of view of 130 degrees diagonally compared to 110 degrees horizontally on the Quest 3. Looking at pure resolution, the Quest 3 packs around 25% more pixels per inch, which contributes to sharper and more detailed image quality overall. However, both headsets do surpass 1080 per resolution per eye and provide a strong sense of high-fidelity visuals. When it comes to field of view, the Index does have a noticeable advantage with its class-leading 130-degree diagonal FOV. This expanded field of view significantly increases perceived image size and improves immersion compared to the Quest 3's 110-degree horizontal FOV. Refresh rate and performance. Refresh rate is crucial for VR visuals, contributing to smoother tracking and less motion blur. The Index defaults to 120 Hz, but can reach an experimental 144 Hz mode, while the Quest 3 natively runs at 90 Hz with a 120 Hz option. This gives the Index an edge for maximum fluidity up to 144 Hz. However, the Quest 3 utilizes Qualcomm's new Snapdragon XR2 Plus platform with substantially faster graphical horsepower compared to the aging NVIDIA 1000 series GPUs in the Index, now 3 generations behind. In raw performance, the Snapdragon XR2 Plus in the Quest 3 empowers noticeably improved visual effects, scene detail, and complex physics that the Index hardware simply cannot match. Tracking and input. One of the defining features of the Valve Index is its Steam VR tracking system. This uses external base stations to enable precise root-scale tracking of the headset and controllers. The Index also uses Valve's knuckle controllers that can track individual fingers. This allows for natural hand presence and interactions in VR using your real fingers. By comparison, the Quest 3 utilizes inside-out tracking cameras on the headset itself. This allows a tether-free root-scale experience without the need to set up any external sensors. The new Touch Pro controllers included with Quest 3 provide excellent motion input but lack per-finger tracking. Content libraries and exclusives. Being part of the Meta ecosystem, the Quest 3 provides instant access to the massive Meta Quest Store, with over 500 VR apps and games. This includes many unavailable anywhere else like Beat Saber, Population 1, Resident Evil 4 VR, and more. The Index is limited solely to Steam VR content. While the Steam Marketplace does have a sizable VR catalog, it pales in comparison to what Meta offers. What's more, hit titles like Resident Evil 4 VR, Beat Saber, and Medal of Honor. Above and beyond are Quest exclusives which aren't playable on Index at all. It is apparent that Meta is investing heavily in exclusives you simply can't get on other platforms. While the Index does have some exclusives like Half-Life, Alex, and Medal of Honor, comfort and ergonomics. A key priority for Meta with the Quest 3 was enhancing ergonomics and wearability for longer VR sessions. To that end, The Quest 3 is 10% lighter than its predecessor and features a slimmer profile with new soft strap design. The pancake lenses help reduce the overall size, while better weight distribution makes the headset feel more comfortable when worn. Integrated side cameras allow you to quickly view your surroundings without removing the headset. By comparison, the Valve Index is a bulkier and heftier headset weighing in at 1.8 pounds. The rigid strap design also isn't as customizable for different head shapes and sizes. If you have a keen interest in acquiring the Meta Quest 2 or Valve Index, we've embedded affiliate links within the description below. Not only can you procure top-tier gadgets, but you also lend invaluable support to our channel in the process. RoomScale V's Sit-Down VR. As a standalone headset, the Quest 3 allows complete freedom of movement with no wires holding you back. The inside-out tracking also means no need to set up external base stations to map your play space. Within seconds, you can be moving around a large open space and fully immersed in room-scale experiences. By comparison, the tethered design of the Valve Index naturally restricts your mobility. You'll need to set up the external base station sensors in a dedicated VR play space as well. Without a complex cable ceiling setup, you're limited to about a 10 x 10 feet space. Platform and ecosystem. Stepping back, the choice between Quest 3 and Index comes down partially to which platform and ecosystem you want to be part of. The Quest 3 is very deeply integrated into Meta's broader ecosystem. You have features like casting to MetaSmart displays, native integration with Horizon social platforms, and cross-buy access with the Oculus Rift PC library. Not to mention that setting up the Quest 3 is as simple as using your Meta login. And being on Meta's platform means constant updates and innovations rolled out on a regular basis. With Index, you are fully embedded in Valve's Steam ecosystem. Meta Quest 2 gaming experience. Meta Quest 2 has quickly become a household name in the VR world, and for good reason. Its wireless design and affordability make it an attractive option for gamers of all levels. With a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor and a robust library of games and applications, the Quest 2 delivers an exceptional gaming experience. The headset's inside-out tracking system and touch controllers provide a high level of immersion, and its portability allows users to enjoy VR experiences in different environments. Pico Neo 3 Pro Immersion. The Pico Neo 3 Pro is designed with immersion in mind. Its all-in-one design eliminates the need for a PC or external tracking equipment, making it a convenient choice for users seeking to dive into VR with minimal setup. The Neo 3 Pro's Snapdragon XR2 processor and 6 degrees of freedom, 6 DoF, tracking deliver a smooth and engaging experience, while the headset's high-resolution display ensures stunning visuals. HTC Vive Pro 2 Visuals. When it comes to visuals, the HTC Vive Pro 2 sets a high standard, boasting a 5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This headset offers an exceptionally crisp and smooth visual experience. Its precise tracking and support for Steam VR tracking technology provide a level of realism that's hard to match. The Vive Pro 2 is perfect for users who prioritize the visual aspect of VR, whether they're exploring highly detailed environments, watching VR films, or engaging in professional applications like design and simulations. Varjo Arrow Realism. Varjo Arrow is a headset dedicated to providing the most realistic VR experiences possible. With its unique mixed reality capabilities, the Aero seamlessly blends the virtual and real world. It boasts an ultra-high-resolution display, delivering unmatched clarity for tasks like training simulations and industrial applications. The Aero's eye-tracking technology also enhances realism by allowing for natural interactions and interactions that respond to the user's gaze. This makes Varjo Arrow a go-to-choose for businesses and professionals seeking the utmost in realism and interactivity. Valve Index Comfort. In the VR universe, comfort is paramount for long gaming sessions or professional use. Valve Index takes the crown in this department. The headset's adjustable head strap, ergonomic design, and precise weight distribution offer an exceptional level of comfort. The Index also features finger tracking controllers that provide an extra layer of immersion by allowing natural hand movements. This attention to comfort and usability makes Valve Index a top choice for users who value prolonged, hassle-free VR experiences. That concludes our VR headset showdown. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the affiliate links in the description if you're considering a purchase. Your support helps our channel grow. Stay tuned for more tech insights and take care.